Uh-oh. What'd you do? So we're at
$6
Fort
and
DeSoto, and it looks like, do we have to pay to park?
flat rate for 12 hours, $6.
Wow, so we had to pay to get in, right?
$6 to get in, $6 to park.
Looks like the pier shop is now open. I'm guessing this was damaged during the last hurricane. So you can see the wall is still damaged from the last hurricane. So they have it all fenced off.
Grossest bathroom ever.
Yeah, it kind of had an outhouse feel, didn't it?
Worse, gas station.
Can't tell if they're rebuilding this or this was an old
Wow.
way down that's no
All
longer
that damage.
in use. He's running ahead to go look at the ruins. Gotta go catch up. Now we're on.
Come on up.
This is the part of one of the old forts. All right, here's the steps. Kind of. Ooh. Don't want to get wet over there. Oh. A lot of waves today. So we took the beach way, so we missed the fort. So we've been walking around for a minute. So we found it. So the fort is right over here. So let's get going. All right, there's not many people here, so I don't know where he's at. Uh-oh. What'd you do?
Oh, that list is too long.
Oh no, and I don't know how we're gonna get you out. There's like nobody.
I can't crawl
There's
underneath.
nobody here today. Oh, we're getting a lot of energy from inside this room here, so I'm feeling that there's a presence.
There's ectoplasma. There's like.
Oh wow.
Oh, I hear noise.
Maybe storage of ammo.
Oh,
This one's
Affordable
no, I
housing.
kind of don't think so. At least it looks pretty safe. Wow.
And there's two others that were here.
Oh, that's cool. Almost there.
Wow.
Deep in thought. Not really.